Ultimate love before Chris got the virus. Hello guys and welcome back to Naija news and entertainment. Ultimate love was not fun before Chris got the virus, ravaging the ultimate love and specifically the love part. There was a virus that attacked the love guests on Ultimate Love show after a week the show started. The Ultimate Love guests were waiting to be a victim of this virus. They prayed, worked hard, talked their way into it, while some placed themselves at a vantage point. They intentionally exposed themselves to the virus. You can say some ended well. The love virus got some early birds on the show, while some had robust immune system that somehow made it hard for them to be a victim. One of these persons include Chris, Sylvia, and Rosie. The journey of these ladies is fascinating, but that of Chris was in one way unique, while others had something or someone keeping them company. Busy in the love part, Chris was alone and pathetically unhappy. Though she tried her best to be strong and display the best of the brave facial expression and could only do her best, but couldn't have been able to hide it all. Before Chris got the love virus, you would want to pity her. If you had a brother yet to be married, you would want to be a matchmaker. It was obvious that matters of the heart can be physically seen on her face without asking questions. Just as the sides of a coin are different, so it was when Chris finally got the love virus. The change was sporadic. It was nothing compared to the one Nigerians daily complained of. This was a total overhaul for Chris. Who could ever think she could smile that good? Who had an inkling that Chris could have made it to be among the first 5 couples standing on the show? Maybe we had the hope of better days ahead for her. We did not see Chrisville being added to our Chris. Sometimes this kind of virus can be good for the body. Sometimes we should pray for it. Chris did. She hoped, she prayed, and most importantly waited for it. Wait for your own virus, but do all you can to ensure it does not belong to the corona family or its relatives. Alright guys, you've heard it all. This was how Chris got the virus. I hope you've all gotten your virus too in one way or the other. Please let it not be the coronavirus. Okay, until next time, please, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.